Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Bearded Fortech. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Please consider hitting subscribe. Today, I'm going to talk to you about this SSM 53119. It's for the 2023-2024 Super Duty. All right, you can see we're on the PTS Oasis message board, December 3rd, 2023-2024 Super Duty select shift and or tow haul feature of the transmission is inoperative or activated without operator input, built on or before October 7th, 2024. And this is service message 53199. And we're gonna take a look at that right quick, tell you what's going on inside there and what you're gonna have to do. So, built on October 7th or before, on or before, and it's a 23 to 24 Super Duty. Condition where the select shift, I don't know why they put that in there twice, one has a little trademark on it, and or tow haul feature of the transmission may not function or activate without operator input. This may be due to a chafed wire or wires located behind the steering column shrouds affecting the circuits between the tow haul switch and the transmission control module. To correct the condition, remove the upper and lower steering column shrouds, refer to the workshop manual 50105 and inspect the wiring harness 14401 near where it connects to the tow haul switch. Assembly for damage. If it is damage found, repaired as necessary, and then it says refer to diagram cell 005, and that's just telling you how to repair a wire under warranty. So let's get in here to the workshop manual, show you how to take the shroud off, and then we're going to see if we can find harness 14401. So you can see what you're looking for. Okay, so the first thing you got to do to check this is you got to take the shroud off. So you want to extend the steering wheel all the way out towards you and down, like you're adjusting the steering wheel. Then you're going to pop this off. It's a gap, the gap hider. You're going to pop that off. It's just pop little pop clips. Then this is around the shifter. That would be where the shifter is. They took it out so you can actually see better. It just pops right out. It's just a shift boot. Turn the steering wheel 90 degrees. Stick a screwdriver in there. Do the same thing on the other side. And that's going to separate the top half of the shell from the bottom half. See? You're sticking the screwdriver in that spot right there. You're just pushing the tab. And you're going to be able to pop that bad boy up out of there. Then you're going to pull that panel off. Take those two screws out. Take that side panel off. Then you're going to take that screw out right up there in the corner next to the vent. And you're going to undo all your electrical connectors. So electrical connector, electrical connector, electrical connector. You may or may not have all these electrical connectors. Electrical connector, and then all these right here. Yeah, just grab it and pull. Once you get that, there's a metal plate. Take those 4 bolts off. Once you do that, there's 3 bolts right up underneath the steering column. I think they're 5.5 millimeters. Once you take all this apart, you take that knee bolster off, and then when you make your repair and you go to put it back on, anytime the parking brake switch connector has been disconnected from the electronic parking brake system is deactivated and a DTC is stored in the electronic park brake module, you got to perform the step down here below that I'm going to show you and then clear the code. All right, you're going to apply and release the parking brake switch within 5 seconds, pausing with the switch in the neutral position for approximately 1/2 second between each. Apply and release. Then you're going to use a scan tool and you're going to clear that code, and that should reset it, tell everything it's back. Now, once you get this off, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the top side. What do we say? It said, oh crap, where'd it go? Let me go back here to my, there we go. So this is the shroud. Just imagine the shroud's taken off. Okay, you're looking at that guy right there. That guy is the tow haul switch. Remember I said to check the tow haul switch, the wire? It's going to be that guy going right down there. Goes right behind the clock spring and then down. But then it said check harness J, or was it 14401? Is that what it said? Or, excuse me, it said check the connection and the wire from here to the transmission control module. Well, transmission control module is up in the driver fender. So, yeah, I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. It doesn't say check it from here to here. It says that it could have a chafed wire back here in the shroud, which is interrupting the signal from here to here. And I'll show you why that interrupts the signal from there to there. So all you're doing is you're going to be checking right here. You're going to check this wire right here. Just follow it until it splices in. You look for any chafes, any bends, any breaks, anything like that. And the reason it loses connection is because to talk to this transmission control module right here, which is in the fender well, it's got to go through, not that, this. That's harness 14401, the main instrument panel harness. It's got to go through that entire thing. Okay, so if I can see it on another view, so there's the top side of it. It's back behind the steering column. Obviously, it's below the top shroud. It's back behind the clock spring, excuse me. Let me see if I can find where you can take off. Let's go to transmission. Transmission, selector, lever, mechanism. Nope. Assembly. Nope. Definitely not that. Okay. This is looking down over the top of it. There's your shifter. That wire's coming up right here. Kind of hard to see. Kind of hard to see. There's a whole bunch of wires back there, but you can't miss it. Let me go back to that other one so you can see it. And I lost it, but unless it's... There it is. Right there. You should be able to see it. You take that. There's your shift lever. This is your turn signal. You take that upper one off, you should be able to see it right there, dead top. Check that harness. I hope that helps you guys out. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, comment on the video, and I can talk you through it. But if that is the case, that your transmission goes into tow haul without you even touching it, or it doesn't work at all, it's going to be this little guy down here. If you got to break in the wire, you're going to have to splice it together. That's how you're going to fix it. Or if it's still under warranty, just send it to the dealer and have them do it. So it is what it is. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.